SCHILBERZ. Unfortunately, my Greek language is not the best one, so it's embarrassing if I start to talk in Greece, so I have to do it in English. My name is KIRIAKOS AGIANNIDIS, so at first you get a short introduction of myself. As I said, my name is KIRIAKOS AGIANNIDIS. I'm living in Germany. In 2010, I started studying renewable energy. In 2013, I graduated as an engineer for renewable energies. And at the moment, I'm responsible for big PV roof plants in Germany. At first, I want to show you a little bit about the solar potential. The energy of the future comes from above. What means this sentence? This sentence means that every kind of renewable energy is caused by the sun. So if you have bioenergy, wind energy, or solar energy, they're all caused by the sun. So why don't we use this huge potential for the next billions of years for heating up, for example, hotel pools and waters? The sun provides 6,000 times more energy to the Earth than we can consume. So, but only the amount of the solar energy in our global energy mix is only 0.5%, so it's an insignificant part of the whole energy mix. Here you can see in the blue square the total energy consumption of the Earth. And you see the yellow dot? Right, you don't see it because it's so short part of the whole system. Now I want to show you our system and our way to use the solar potential. It's called solar thermy to the square. Why to the square? Because you have two ways to use our system. On the one hand, you can warm up pools in the pre- and post-seasonal period, so in like April or May, and you can heat up your drinking water in summer. And we have seen a lot of problems, and these are the main character of the problems. How can you attract tourists? Yeah, right. You need big hotel and pool areas and water slides, and this construction is very, very expensive and needs a lot of time to develop. But you invest a lot of time to build these pools, but you use it only for a very short time, only in summer, when the energy from above is enough to heat up the pools and the water slide water. And now I want to show you our solution. Our solution is normally nothing like rocket science. We're just using solar absorbers. It's in Central Europe state of the art for almost 30 years. And with this system, here we have, I show you examples. With this system, you can heat up a lot of water, so you can heat up a large amount, a lot of liters of water, and you have a positive side effect. The side effect is you can, as I said before, use it in two ways. On the one hand, you can warm up pool water, and on the other hand, you can heat up drinking water in summer. Now I want to go a little bit more into detail and show you here our examples. The absorber itself. The absorber is made of APDM. It's a normal material. It's used in the automotive industry and is almost indestructible and very easy to install. The service life of this absorber is almost over 25 years. There are projects that are around 35 years in operation, almost. It's very cost-effective and almost completely maintenance-free, so it's a simple system. Also, the installation side don't have to be very special, you just need a flat roof. And you have a very short amortization period. That means you have around 2 or 3 years of amortization time. Therefore, you don't, for example, in Germany or in Central Europe, you don't get any financial support if you install the system. Okay, this point it makes sense. It has to be resistant against influence or environmental influences. It's temperature resistant and it's very environmental friendly. So you don't have any problems with disposal or recycling. More than 2,000 systems are installed in Central Europe, especially in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. And you keep in mind that the radiation in Greece is 1.5 times higher than in Central Europe. Here you have some examples. As you can see, you don't have any problems with shadows like in a photovoltaic, or you don't have any problems with other systems like you see at the project in Berlin. There's a lightning protection system, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now the most important part, the calculation and the price and the energy gain. You have, for example, a hotel of 400 with a 450 square meter surface absorber that gains an energy of approximately 200 megawatt hours per year. You get a profit of 20,000 euros per year. We use 10 cents per kilowatt hour. This 10 cents, why we have used this? Because with 1 liter fuel oil, you can produce 10 kilowatt hours of thermal energy. And if we say that 1 liter of fuel oil is around €1, you have to pay 10 cents per kilowatt hour. You save around 68 tons per year and around amazing 20,000 liters of fuel oil. Investment of approximately 60 to 70,000 euros. For this 60,000 euros, we get a turn-to-key system, so it's ready for operation. I'm out of time? This is a very good system. Thanks a lot.